Hello, what's up? Today we are going to see how to calculate loan amortization in Excel. You have the full information, loan amount, you have interest rate of 13, you have loan term 5 years, then balloon payment of 0. Let us first adjust our information to make it easier. Let us go to the developer for easy. Then you choose combo box. After combo box, combo form, you come here. After inserting this combo box, you click right click, you go to format properties, you go down move. Then for input range control, you came here, you from ready for time basis. Then you go to cell link, this one, it's absolute. Then you can use 3D shading if you want. Then if you select here, you see there is different time basis. Then you go to time factor. Time factor is equal to, we use choose function. Choose function index is this one, but make it absolute. Then for monthly, for annual we have 1, for semi 2 we have 4, for quarterly we have 12, for monthly we have 52, for weekly and you have 360 for daily. Close, then enter. If you choose here, if you came to your combo box and you choose monthly, quarterly, it's a 4. If you choose it for month, you see. Then for total period is equal to this long term times there's time factor, it's a 60. Then if you go to adjusting rate, you go to this rate 13 over the time factor, adjust the time factor of 12. You can make it in percentage. Then you increase the small. See, if you choose here quarterly, you see all things change. If you choose annual, things change. If you choose daily, all things change. All things change. If you choose monthly, it does go. For the period, have 1. Then it does use. If this less than 60, this time factor, this one 18 will be added 1. Then you close, you see. Then you can drag down, see, it's a 60. Then for payment, PMT, have rate, adjusted rate, you have present value, you have per number period, you have present value, you have balloon payment of 0, you have 0 at the end, that is paid at the end. Enter, then drag down. Then let's go to IPMT, interest payment. Then you have rate, you have per number of period 60. You have present value of this. You have balloon payment of 0. We have that is paid at the end also. Then you see, drag down, then go to principal, PPMT is equal to this. We have let's come on, we have per this one have a number of pay period of 60, which is equal to 60. Have a present value, have a down payment of 0, then paid at the end. Then you see, then you can drag down. Then let us go to cumulative to calculate cumulative interest. We use sum. This one, but to make this absolute, then drag down. Then let us calculate cumulative principal. Use sum of this cumulative up to this. You select it, use double dots, select them, but this first should be also absolute. And see, then drag down. Then remaining principal is equal to this loan amount, but it should be absolute, plus this cumulative principal. You see, then drag down. After, you see, for the 60, we being 0 to 20 million for cumulative, 7 million for interest. We pay interest of 7,303,000. Then you can choose, if you select semi-annual, you see, if you choose monthly, you see, it's automatic. If you choose then, you see, whatever you choose. If you choose quarterly, if you choose month, annual, you see, we're paying in 5 years. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Apatech TV.